Harleen Sethi from Donshia Dental Care, Kolkata. हमारे इस चैनल में मिलेंगे आपको some dental information videos and smile makeovers by our dentist from Donshia Dental Care. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So Veenu finally got this gap closure done.
Yeah, thanks to you.
And you were a little skeptical about cosmetic dentistry gap. Why should I go through the cosmetic thing? And I want braces, so we got braces done. But still, the gap wasn't closed.
Yes.
Now, if you had to go back again and restart for that gap, would you again go for braces?
No, not at all. It was a long and lengthy process, and it was a difficult time to go ahead because I was just wanting my gap to be closed. But later on, also I just saw my gap was still there, and patience level was over. So I thought, बस आप braces निकाल दो जैसे तैसे. I can't keep it anymore. But thanks to you, you have helped me out to have my closure. Because whenever I used to smile, मेरा एक profile में I used to always feel, there's a gap, and that was anyways hitting me sometime कि I should not show my this profile because I have a gap and all. But I'm really happy with the process, whatever has been gone through, and thanks to you, thanks to Donshia.
See, people come to the friends last. It takes time, but then she's at the right place, and I'm glad that she's happy. How was the procedure? Was it painful?
No, it was a painless procedure. I mean, I didn't realize also कब शुरू हुआ and कब खत्म हो गया. It was like that, and when VG told me it's done, I said it's done. So it's really painless, girls. So if you want to come, why girls? Boys can also come.
Yeah.
So it's like, don't worry about the process कि दर्द होगा something पता भी नहीं चला है. So it was just in few minutes that I was like happy faces again.
And those who don't know, Veenu is a big influencer of Calcutta, and the cosmetic industry might not look natural, it may look fake. So that was what was holding her back. But now she's...
Yeah, actually I want to break the stigma also here, because the influencers who all are here, they don't want to show the process they're going through, they just want to show the outer beauty, like we are like that, But I think when you are an influencer, you need to influence people with the right thing. So this was my thought कि नहीं, अगर मैं कर रही हूँ, I think my followers and my friends should know that I had a gap and I had done this. It was not, no, I'm born beauty, I have not done this, I have not done that. So I think influencer means that you should show you are like this, and if you go through this process, then you can change whatever you want to have in your this thing. So I think that's an influencer, and I think all the influencers, especially if you are influencing somebody, you should show your चीजें है जो I need to rectify, so you should come forward and show to your followers, so even they come to know कि अच्छा ये कर सकते हैं या वो कर सकते हैं. So I think that's a process I really wanted to show to my friends and followers. And thank you, Harleen, thank you to Donshia. It was a lovely closure of the journey. So very nice.
Thank you, Veenu.
Thank you so much, Harleen. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, subscribe and share this video, and let people know that this is a very simple procedure, and people who are holding themselves back from something, the notions that this is painful or a long process, or this is not for me, or this looks fake, watch the video again.
Yes, you follow Donshia for more queries and more process, because I think they are the only one dental clinic in the city who is always update, with the process and everything, because I don't see any other clinics coming up with such techniques and updates with the processes and all. So I think you should.
Thank you so much.
That's a fact. Keep following, and that's a big heart for the process today.